Hi guys, after so many days I have come back to the video. Today I will show you how to prepare pork in Assamese style. So we are in mid of an Assamese village to show you step by step. Okay. So step 1, we are going to put some oil in. If you see, this is an iron karai, we will call as karai, and we put some oil, mustard oil. Unless and until it become hot, we'll get some smell of mustard, raw mustard. So better we'll make it hot. It's a procedure where we are going to prepare fully in firewood. We have clean pork ready, and we have some onion cut in pieces and some potatoes, and we have ginger garlic paste which has been made.
So
So
everybody,
one by one we'll be putting onion first, and we'll make it unless and until it is red in color. We'll fry it. If you see, we have kept the onion to be fried, and unless and until it will be light brown color, we'll be keeping it. If you see, the amount of oil we are using is very less, so it's like adequate for only frying the onion. So it's next step is our putting the ginger garlic paste what has been prepared. Yeah, we are putting it, and then we'll keep it for bisque frying. And keep it for bisque frying. You see here the flame is full on. This may help the pork to be cooked properly, and we are frying it, so the smell of the onion and garlic will go off, and it will be a very aroma taste while preparing the starting the next step when we are putting the meat in while frying. So we'll do slowly, step by step, so that it will not get burned off immediately because the flame is in high. So we are putting, unless and until it will be full clear off, and put it. Now to see, we'll mix it properly so that the onion and the meat will go off together. So now it's already 10 minutes over. If you see, the color has been changed to some slight brownish color. Now we'll be putting some potatoes. Potato is a part of Assamese dish, where in every dish we are using potatoes. So we'll put some potatoes. Now it has been mixed with the pork, so that the masalas and all will get mixed properly. Kept for cooking for some time. Cooking has been done in full flame. You will get the same smoky smell what you will be provided in the 5-star hotels. But here, if you see, with the small remaining woods and all, we are preparing smoky pork. Now we'll be adding small amount of turmeric. As you know, turmeric is a very good antiseptic masala which will kill all the bacteria in the any kind of meat. So in Indian culture, we'll be using turmeric.
and I have this.
And then salt will be added accordingly, how much is required. So here for 1 kilo of pork meat, we are using 2 spoon, almost 10 mg of salt, and again we'll be mixing it. So after adding everything, we are mixing it together. So generally, one of the main ingredients of Indian masala, jeera and dhania powder, has been already added here. It's based on the required quantity, how people like, but yeah. So one of the main important vegetables in Indian food culture is tomato. So instead of red chili powder, we'll use tomato for getting a good color, reddish color, and also bit sour taste will happen because of tomato. So it will be added accordingly, and that will add to the. It will also help in decreasing the fat side effects of fat, because tomato, as you know, it's a good resource of vitamin A and vitamin D. We are adding this. Now if you see, a red color has come because of the tomato, without adding any chili powder or any kind of colors. Now if you see, this is one of the important leaf which has been used in Assam. We generally call it as lai hak. I think the English name is lettuce leaf. Yeah, so this generally the pork will be prepared using this leaf. so it will be more tastier when you are adding, and all the fats will get mixed, and you will not get some like some oily filling, or I mean you will get if you take too much of oily food you will get some gastric problem or something. But this kind of leaf, when we are using, it will compensate all the oil which will be coming out from the pork, and it will also add to the taste. So if you see, we are mixing it, and this leaf will get cooked easily. If you see, within 5 or 10 minutes it will just melt off, and it will mix with the pork meat. 5 minutes over, and it has started melting. We have added small amount of water. It's just like spraying some water so that the meat will not get stick to the vessel. So it has been kept under lid, closed, so that it will get cooked properly. It's already 10 minutes over, and it's getting cooked. If you see, the color has come out, and the lai hak also has started melting. Now our pork is ready for testing. Yeah, let's see one piece. Yes, if you see, it's a full smoky pork, and let me try one piece. Wow,